हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ ऐसे इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ डिसिप्लिन इन स्टूडेंट लाइफ। 350 वर्ड्स के साथ ये ऐसे मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूँगी। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी, अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। तो शुरू करते हैं हम अपनी वीडियो। द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पीरियड ऑफ लाइफ इज स्टूडेंट लाइफ. It is the time when we construct the foundation of our life. The future of a person depends on this period of life. So, this period of life needs to be utilized in a proper way. To do so, discipline is a much needed thing. One should follow a timetable to complete or cover his syllabus. And does he get success? Even nature follows discipline. The sun rises and sets at proper time. The earth moves on its axis in a disciplined his way. In a simple way, a student should follow discipline for his all-round development. The students who do not have a proper timetable cannot spare time for his co-curricular activities. In modern times, a good student needs to enough value himself in different co-curricular activities amidst his regular studies. But without discipline, a student may face a shortage of time for these activities, or sometimes he may lag behind in studies due to excess involvement in co-curricular activities. Does a student needs to be a well disciplined to get success in his career? Again, discipline is a very much necessary in the examination hall. Discipline is an important asset to a successful life. In other, it can be in conclusion, we can say that discipline is the key to a successful life. We all have a dream of a successful life. For that, we need to work at proper time on a proper way. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो थोड़ी सी भी हेल्पफुल लगे तो प्लीज़ मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन के बटन को दबाना बिल्कुल ना भूलें ताकि आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो।